So one of the things I did yesterday was I went through all the models that I have from the smallest to the largest, and I pretty much fly the 4S and lower, and mainly the Cinewhoop style of flying. So some of these get used a lot more than others, and but anyway, I just thought I'd put a little chart together for myself of the size and the size of the props, and measure what they are dry, meaning no battery, and then any notes of whether I've added things like prop guards and so forth. And the one thing I'm interested in was, I have this GO2 camera which I really love and use it for most of my flying, but if you look at the models that I've been using, the Ren 1 and 2, which are the ones that I fly the most in the summertime. I've now got this Civitar 120, the Take-In C25, which I've got set up for winter flying with the conformal coating, and then the larger ones with the 3 and 3.5 inch there, which I mainly don't really put the GO2 on it. I use those for the Hero cameras. But if you look on the all-up weight, which would be a battery plus the GO2 plus the GO2 mount, I'm sitting with all these other ones which I have flown with that camera in that 150 or greater kind of weight range. And I thought, you know what, I did work on one back in November of 2020, which was a 2-inch form factor, and you can go look it up. I have a video on it. It's called the Mouse. It was a custom build with my own design, trying to get less weight but a strong platform to carry a Go camera. And I got it working fine in the basement, but something happened to the flight controller, and in the process of trying to repair the flight controller, which is really tiny, it's only a 16 by 16, I burned up the pads and I never got it working, and I just put it to the side. But I thought, you know what, now in the winter maybe I can do something else here. So looking down this list of trying to figure out which one of these lighter weight platforms can I just start with, then maybe I can add the GO2 setup on. And the one that kind of caught my eye was the Winterized Tinyhawk RACE that I have, which I don't really fly that much. It's only 50 grams sitting there, and I thought I could do some things to it to get it to fly with the GO2 camera. So I did a little bit of calculations and measurements, and I went through, and you can see here I'll start with the base weight of 50 grams. I already have tried and adapted it so I can put the 2.3 inch props on there. I have my own GO2 mount and the camera, and using in the RDQ 2S650 2S pack, I end up at 120, which is quite a bit less than the all-up weight would be on those other platforms. So let me show you what I did. I did conformal coat the RACE and put the new props on it. So let me show you a little bit of that.